I'm a board member of IDPF, International Digital Publishing Forum, a standard organization in charge of EPUB standardization. I'm also board member of a Ridium Foundation. Ridium Foundation is a technology organization in charge of developing all the technologies around EPUB. And both organizations' boards have thought that they had to foster the evangelization and adoption of EPUB and Ridium technologies in other continents, and especially in Europe and Asia. In Europe, the interoperability is one objective of the digital agenda of the European Commission. And so we, as European Digital Reading Lab, are in the perfect timing with the objective of the Commissions. Then why France? I think France because interoperability is also one objective of the publisher of the Syndicat National de l'Édition and also from the state, French state. And I think also France because we are for the cultural exceptions and we are for full freedom of reading for the consumers, for the reader, and the values of these open source organizations are completely perfect with the objectives of France. We have three values in France. We call that liberté, égalité, fraternité, and we thought that these values could be used for these developments. Liberté for open source, égalité for interoperability, and fraternité for accessibility. The goals of the lab is to participate actively to the development of these technologies in order to have an interoperable e-book market in Europe, and also to help the people with disabilities and to offer them accessible content. We are the headquarters of IDPF and Ridium Foundation in Europe. We are the primary exclusive development center of this both global organization in Europe, representing them. And that's a chance for Paris, that's a chance for the region, and that's a chance for France to get that here, because the standards and the competitions now is around standard in the technology area. We have a CTO, Laurent Lemaire, who's just arrived in the team. Laurent is a great Chief Technology Officer around web development, iOS, Android, and also security development. So the arrival of Laurent is a great opportunity. And we will have a team of 3 to 5 developers in charge of developments around Ridium and EPUB technologies. We have one guy here who is evangelist, Cyril Labordrie, who will take in charge all the evangelization of these technologies in the ecosystem. And we are here to train, inform, and follow us on Twitter, please, and also help the ecosystem to engage in these open source technologies. Among this project, there is one project which is key for France and Europe around what we call lightweight content protection DRM. This is the first try in Europe, and even in the world, of an open source DRM, which is light for the use, for the user, and for the easiness of the use, and which is in fact an interoperable protection mechanism that will help the market to create real interoperability for the ebook reading and selling. For the readers, there is only one way in the world to have an interoperable reading experience. It's EPUB. In front of EPUB, you only have ex-proprietary formats with no innovations, or real proprietary formats with at least sometimes innovations, but a great level of dependence with some players. So EPUB, based on web technologies, only web technologies, is full of open source and is the only way to get a great reading experience for the readers, including black and white, reading left and to right, right to left, vertical, horizontal readings, text, images, videos, sounds, and all what is needed for accessibility.